Good morning, everybody. I got a car in here today. It's got some injector codes and a misfire code and some ratio and balance code. If you have any sort of misfire, you kind of want to ignore these codes right here because it's going to be imbalanced due to the misfire, especially in this case where the injector is not firing. It's going to be lean. You might also have some lean codes. But basically, I tested the circuit. I used a Noid light. Well, I shouldn't call it a Noid light. It's not a Noid light. This is what I use for a Noid light. Just put it in place and it'll blink with some sort of duty cycle, or injector pulse width, if you will. So that's what I did, and then I checked for, this is the resistance of the good injector in the front here, and then I'll show you the resistance of the bad injector, which thank God I could get to it. Otherwise I got to remove the intake to do this test, and it's at it was at 75, I'm assuming when it was hotter, but now it's at 70. So quick resistance measurement. Got this one. This one's accessible. I feel bad for this lady because we just had this intake off doing her oil filter, but you know, it left perfectly fine. It's been gone for a few days now, and I mean, you might have an argument to say that us moving it is what did it, but this Jeep right next to me also needs an injector with the same motor, so it's a pretty common failure. So it sucks that I have to take this all apart again. I shouldn't have to take the lower off, just the upper. And to be honest with you, I'm pretty quick at these now, so hopefully I'll be able to help the lady out. But yeah, resistance measurement. One way to find I wouldn't say fully shorted because it's not, you know, it's zero. You know, it's more of a high resistance failure, but she needs one injector. So a lot of the times on these 3.6, if you're going to be a DIYer and you're going to part scan it and you're good at what you're doing, if you've got a fuel injector open code, to this date I can't remember ever finding an issue with the wiring or the PCM. So it's up to you if you're going to part scan in that. Do it at your own discretion. Other than that, thank you for watching. Have a great day.